start from here. This is big scotch tape, which is about 80 to 100 taka. This is masking tape, which is it has different sizes. Small size is 25 to 30 taka, big size is 30 to 40 taka. This is double sided tape. It has also two sizes. Small size is 20 to 30 taka, big size is 40 to 50 taka. This is a scotch tape which we actually use to cover the side of the book like this. This is small scotch tape, which is 10 to 15 taka, and this is floral tape, which we use in the stem of flower making. So it is 50 to 60 taka. This is glue pad. This is Fevicol 200 gram. It takes 100 taka. This is liquid gum, which is of 20 taka. This is glue stick, 25 taka. Fixed gel we can use in wood or any strong works. So it is 50 taka. And it is super glue, 20 to 25. Thick wire, half kg is 30 to 40 taka. This is copper wire. It is 25 to 30 taka. This is ornaments making wire. It is 50 to 60 taka. And this is a thin wire. You can actually use it in crafting or making jewelries. So this thing we will get in any electronic shop or any shop. We will get it. This is glue stick, which is 9 to 10 taka per piece. This is glue gun, which is 135 to 155 taka, small size, and the big size is 222 to 150 taka. This is pop stick or ice cream stick. Normal stick packet is for 50 to 60 taka, and the colorful one is 60 to 70 taka. This is quilling paper, small size. It is 50 to 60 taka per piece. This is marker pen of good luck. It is 10 taka per piece, and full set 90 to 100 taka. These are the buttons, and 1 kg 150 to 200 taka. This is different shape scissor. We can do different shapes. Look at this. It is 50 taka per piece. It has many shapes. I have 2 one of this. This is the anti-cutter big one, which one is 80 to 120 taka. This is scissor, 60 to 70 taka. This is elastic thin rubber, which is 10 taka full. This is elastic another thin rubber, which is 10 taka full. This is ribbon, which is 20 to 25 taka. It has many color. I have 2 one of this. This is metal button. It is also called tip bottom, which is 5 taka per piece or 10 taka. Big clip, which is this is 20 taka per piece. Big size, small size is 10, then 5, then 15. These are the common things of crafting. This is double-sided marker pen. One side is thin and one side is thick. This is 25 to 30 taka. Highlighter, 20 to 25 taka. Fluid, 25 to 35 taka. Diamond color, 10 to 15 taka. Normal pen, 5 to 10 taka. And normal scale, 5 to 10 taka. Normal eraser, 5 taka. Normal sharpener, 5 taka. This is a big scale, 20 to 25. This is like punch machine. It has different sizes, shapes, and this is small size, which is 35 to 50 taka, and it has many sizes up to 250 taka and 300 taka. These are the pieces of foam which is needed for making something or crafting. So you can get it from watch pillow, or you can buy it. It has many prices, so I'm not mentioning it. This is sandpaper or shirish kagoj, which is 25 to 30 taka, A4 size. This frame we use for any handmade cloth or handmade design. Something it is 30 to 40 taka, medium size. It has too many sizes and too many prices. So this is the thread collection I have. This thread is so good, and it is 6 to 7 taka per piece. It has many colors, you can see. And this is normal thread, which is 4 to 5 taka, and this is also good thread. One bundle is about 20 to 25 taka. So this is all about thread. And I have also needle. The needles are different sizes and different prices. Small size is 3 to 4 taka, big size 5 taka, 10 taka, 15 taka. It has different prices by size. Now the main thing for crafting is papers. This is A4 size normal paper, and full bundle is 250 to 300 taka. This is colorful paper, which is 1 to 2 taka. It has so many colors, you can take as you wish. This is foam paper. Its half A4 size is 10 taka, and full A4 size paper is 20 taka. This is printed glitter paper, and I have only small piece of it. It is 15 taka per piece. A4 size 15 taka. Sorry, I take my words. This one is glitter foam paper, and this is not only foam paper, glitter foam paper. Now here comes the most gorgeous paper. This is crepe paper, which is 12 inch, is about 18 to 30 taka. This is so beautiful, and it has so many colors. We can make flowers and different kind of things. Realistic, full. This is so good. It has so many colors. You can take and you can buy any colors as you. These are the wrapping paper. It has many colors, many designs. I have two one of this, so you can not only wrapping, you can make anything with this. This is made of paper, so its price is 15 to 20 taka. These are the jute rope. This is thick one, which is half kg, 30 to 35 taka, and this is thin one, which is half kg, is 25 to 30 taka. With this, you can make many handicraft things, homemade. It looks so gorgeous. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
Future past was clash, but there's no end.